Greetings, everybody. It's a pleasure to have you here, CSAFOREX, here again to talk about the business of Forex trading and, of course, how you can be profitable. What we're going to be discussing today is everything you need to know about trading strategies. I repeat, everything you need to know about trading strategies. First of all, what is a trading strategy? We need to understand that, first of all, before we can proceed. A trading strategy is simply a method for entry and also exit. How do you enter the market and how do you exit the market? Remember, you are here because you want to be profitable. You want to make pips. You want to make money. So you must have a trading strategy. Now, how does this trading strategy work? How does this trading strategy work? It works based on the parameters for entry and exit. And you can enter as a buyer and also enter as a seller. So what are your parameters for buy and your parameters for sell? You must wait for those parameters to come together before you hit the buy or hit the sell buttons. Now, does this work? Yes, of course it works. Trading strategies work. Does it fail? Yes, of course. It also fails. One thing you need to know is that there is no trading strategy that is 100%. There is no holy grail strategy. And this is something that traders need to be aware of today, because this is one of the major problems that traders face. This is what I also encountered years ago. When the trading strategy is working, I'm happy, I'm using it, I'm making pips, I'm making money. But then the moment it starts to fail, I'm sad. And once you are sad, what do? You will do what? You will leave that trading strategy and then hop on to another one. That is what we call system hopping. You hop over to another one. And before you know it, you would have used a lot of trading strategies in your trading timeline. I'm sure you are guilty of this. If you are guilty of this, comment below that yes, you are guilty of jumping from one trading strategy to another trading strategy. Don't forget, we said earlier that there is no trading strategy that is 100%, right? So do you need any other trading strategy? No, absolutely no. Just have one trading strategy, stick to that trading strategy. When it works, document it. When it fails, document it, right? As an example, if your trading strategy is going to work on a Monday, use it majorly on a Monday. And when you notice that it fails on a Friday, start to avoid trading on Fridays. That is how your trading strategy, you will be able to maximize it to its fullest. Don't just trade every day. Don't just trade 24 hours. But you need to know when it's going to work and when it's not going to work. There are some trading strategies that obviously are not good during news period, high impact news period. So what do? You don't trade those periods. There's some trading strategies that are not good when the market is probably slow, maybe during the Asian session. What does that mean? Don't trade during that session. So you have to use one trading strategy and stick to it. Now, what trading strategy do I use? Which trading strategy do I use personally? I use the price action, support, and resistance. And I'm sure that most of you or a lot of you have heard about price action, support, and resistance trading strategy. Yes, it is out there. It's a normal trading strategy that most traders are using today. So for you to use my trading strategy, you can get it for free in the link below, right? There's a link below in the description section. You can get this free price action, support, and resistance trading strategy that will help you to understand it thoroughly, that will help you to use it based on different time frames. Time frames will let you to know the type of trader that you are. So this trading strategy, yes, it is very good. It works and it fails, but all you have to do is to stick to it, and then of course you would see when it works as opposed to when it doesn't. So no more system hopping for you. Tell yourself now as you're listening to me, no more changing of strategies. Very important. So if this video was helpful, do give it a thumbs up, and of course smash the subscribe button. It indeed helps me to grow. It helps the algorithm. And of course, comment below if you have any question whatsoever with respect to trading strategy, or if you'd like to see any video on any topic. Comment below and let's see how we can help you. It's a new week. Ensure to trade with that confidence, using that your trading strategy. No more hopping around. Thank you guys. It has indeed been a pleasure. Do enjoy the rest of your day, and goodbye for now. God bless.